Hello students. Welcome on board to the exciting world of logistics. In this exciting animation, we will discuss about the interfaces to various functions the materials department is in a manufacturing company. Materials management is a core supply chain function and includes supply chain planning and supply chain execution capabilities. Specifically, materials management is the capability firms use to plan total material requirements. An organization that manufactures cars needs to purchase wheels, engines, and windows. The process by which these materials are sourced, purchased, stored, and utilized is materials management. Procurement of office supplies also falls in the category of materials management. Students, note that once the materials are procured, the items are to be warehoused, that is, has to be arranged in racks for retrieval on demand basis. Also, critically note that materials management is part of production management. Materials management is a scientific technique concerned with planning, organizing and control of flow of materials, from their initial purchase to destination. Materials management can be defined as that function of business that is responsible for the coordination of planning, sourcing, purchasing, moving, storing and controlling materials in an optimum manner, so as to provide service to its customer, at a pre-decided level at a minimum cost. 5 R's of material management. Material management of the right quality. Buy goods of right quality. Material management in the right quantity. Buy goods in specified quantity. Material management at the right time. Buy goods or services at the appropriate time. Material management from the right source. Buy goods from the appropriate source. Material management at the right price. And at the best market price. Materials and profitability. Did you know? The major cash outflow in a business is result of material management. Hence the materials manager position can help the business in saving material cost by effective management of materials, suggesting new alternatives to reduce cost or dependence on import of materials. The import substitution results in foreign exchange and thus improves the growth of economy. Material management and production department. A production department of a manufacturing company has heavy reliance on materials department. The unrestricted of finished goods have a high dependency on materials department. Higher rejection of finished goods by the quality control department is always due to the material quality. For spare parts needed in the production department, a similar interrelationship exists between the materials department and maintenance department. Material cost is the major component of the cost of production. Any pricing or engineering or development decision can be taken only after getting proper advice from the purchasing department. Thus the production and material departments are interdependent. Material management and finance department. The finance department is concerned on providing the funds for the materials procurement, and hence may find fault with the materials purchase. If the finances are not available on time, relationship of the materials department and the suppliers will get affected adversely. The cash outflow in materials needs to properly planned by preparing a materials budget fixing economic order quantity, maximum, minimum and danger levels, so that there is neither overstocking nor understocking. Material management and personnel department. The personnel department to ensure that no unwanted or rejected staff are placed in material management. Right human resource for the right job is the mantra or recipe for the success of that department. Staff with good attitude and ready to learn should be sourced for the material management department. The department should neither be understaffed or overstaffed, and should be driven by the organizational chart of the material management department. Relationship between marketing and material department. Consumer is the king in the modern marketing scenario. The consumer must feel that the finished products purchased by him are of high quality and are durable. He expects that a right quality product is being purchased by him at the right price and right time. The success or failure of an organization ultimately depends on the acceptance of products by the ultimate consumers. The material, being the prime component, plays a vital role in creating and maintaining the satisfied consumers. Hello again. I am sure that this animation has provided you with the knowledge of material management departments, interface with other functions. We will meet again in our next session. Till then, it's bye from Logo.